I am the Curly Bella, and my hair is in need of some TLC. So I'm going to be using OLAPLEX No.3 to bring it back to life. So I just finished deep cleansing my hair, which is very important for girls with curly hair. I'm going to take my water bottle. So now that my hair is pretty damp, I'm going to separate it in another piece and just work with small sections. Now, I like to really coat it, especially at the ends where it needs the most work. And then use a brush to comb it through. Now, once you're like combing it through, you should see like a white foam to it. I mean, that's pretty coated. If you're a friend of mine, or you can just ask my friends, I recommend them using this like Die Hard from women that, or men, that color treat their hair, that are going through transition, that just have a lot of breakage or are planning to do something crazy with their hair and want to protect it. I mean, I recommend this to everyone, straight hair or curly hair. The curliness, the kinkiness of our hair just makes it very easy for it to break. And this just keeps it stronger, it keeps it healthier. It's a bondage, so to kind of help it stay healthy or help repair it. I'm not saying that this product is going to completely transition your hair and that you don't have to go through cutting out the damaged part of your hairs, but it will definitely help, and it will definitely help to keep it healthy. I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes, at least 10 minutes minimum is what it says here. And then I'm going to wash it off. So these are the results from my OLAPLEX No.3, and you see my hair is very bouncy, my curls are super defined and healthy. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. This should be a staple in everyone's hair care routine. So I hope you liked it, and thank you. Bye, Bellas.